How to organize inbox in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can organize your inbox in your Gmail. Now, to organize your inbox in your Gmail is more effective by making use of your PC. Alright, I would advise you use your PC for this, but if you want to use your mobile phone, it's also easy. Okay, now how do you do that? The first step or the first thing that you can do to organize your inbox by making use of labels. All right, so you make use of labels, launch your Gmail application, and then log in into the account whose inbox you would like to organize. And then before now, ensure that you've logged in into your desktop and then you've created a label. How do you create a label on your desktop? Just move to the top left corner of the desktop screen where you can see the three horizontal lines as well. Click on it, and then you drop down menu, click on settings, and on the settings page, select Google account that you would like to create a label for, and locate label. By clicking on manage label, you will see the option for you to create a label. Then once you have a label created already, the next step would be for you to sort out your messages, sort out the emails that you want to belong to that label. So I'm just going to do that now. So just long press on the messages that you want to select, and after long pressing on them, move to the top right corner where you can see three vertical dots. Click on that, and the options displayed, select change labels, then select the label that you've created already. Click OK, and then those emails will be moved to those labels. That way you've been able to organize those emails. The other thing you can use is by making use of filter, but creating filters directly in the mobile app is not possible. You need to do it from a laptop. So once filters have been set up on your desktop or your laptop, you can now apply them to your emails as well. You see them created here. Then another thing you can do is by categorizing your emails into primary, social, and promotion. Although the Gmail app automatically organize emails this way, it already categorizes your messages into promotions, socials. You can see this by moving to the left side of the screen, and you'll see it already that way. So another way you can organize your inbox is by using stars and importance markers. All right, so just go ahead and select the emails that are important to you. All right, don't press on each of them, and once you've done that, after selecting, the next thing will be for you to start these messages as important. And how do you do so? Move to the top right corner of the screen, click on the three vertical dots, and then you can see the option add star. You can see the option mark as important. This way you can be able to filter and then select important messages from those that are not important. So if you want to use star, you can just click on add star, and then stars will be added so that you can easily locate those messages. And also if you want to mark them as important, you can click on mark as important, and they'll be marked as important. So through using all of this, you'll be able to organize your inbox effectively. So this is how to go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.